you will have your way. Sovereign God, compassionate God, you will have your way. You are perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways. To you are. You're perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways. It's who you are. May we never lose our wonder. May we never lose our wonder. Wide-eyed and mystified, may we be just like a child, staring at the beauty of our King. May we never lose our wonder. May we never lose our wonder. Wide-eyed and mystified, may we be just like a child, staring at the beauty of our King. 'Cause you are beautiful in all your ways. 'Cause your ways are not our own. You are beautiful in all your ways. We submit to your perfect will, Yeshua. You are beautiful in all your ways. You alone. You are beautiful in all your ways. You fascinate us. You fascinate us. You fascinate us with your love. You fascinate us. You fascinate us. You fascinate us with your love. You are beautiful in all your ways, far above the ways of man. You are beautiful in all your ways. We surrender to you, Lord. Every knee bow before you. You are beautiful in all your ways. Every tongue will confess, every knee will bow. You are beautiful in all your ways. Yes, come on, let's just bow ourselves before Him. Let's posture ourselves before the one who is the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, the one who is, who was, who will have His way. who always will be. You will have your people. You will have your people. Who is this coming through the east gate? Who is this coming now to rule and reign? Yeshua, Yeshua, Yeshua. Who is this coming through the east gate? Who is this coming now to rule and reign? Yeshua, Yeshua, Yeshua. Who is this coming through the east gate? Who is this coming now to rule and reign? Yeshua, Yeshua, Yeshua. Who is this coming through the east gate? Who is this coming now to rule and reign? Yeshua, 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 Yeshua. You will have your people. You will have your people. You will have your people.